So it is January 21st, 2025. Currently a Tuesday. On my way to work right now. It's about 6:50. I wake up around 6, shower, brush my teeth, put a Red Bull in my bag, or stop at the gas station and get a Red Bull and a breakfast Sammy. But tonight I did not have time because my ass does not wake up early enough for fucking work. Ice is still covering my windshield. It's colder than fuck. It's like 8 degrees today. The door handle of my van, the sliding door, I tried to, open that. The fucking handle ripped off. So now I have the handle right here. And I'm gonna put that on today after work. I currently cannot feel my fingertips. I don't know what else I'm gonna put into day 2 here. But we will try to have an eventful day. So, yeah. Let's get it. Well, fellas, we're home, and package came. I didn't get to stay late and do an oil change and shit on my van, but this package came here, and I don't really know what I ordered. Never mind, I know what it is. Fuck yeah, dude, right on. Dude, fuck yeah. Fucking brand new. Rob, Alien Workshop Monster Board. That's fucking tits. It's gonna go with the rest of the collection here. Alright, so it's Friday, January 24th. It's 6:30. On my way to work here. I might try to hit up Skate 1-4 this weekend. Or work on my Alfa Romeo. Other than that, I'm not sure. It's cold. Yeah, we'll see what's on the agenda today. There's not that many things. I got work. And that's it, man. Work. So it's currently, I don't know, like 4. It's currently 4 o'clock, Friday, January 24th, I think. I don't have an idea what I'm going to do today. I think this is like several days put together in this video. I know I'm tired. I want to get some sleep. I want to skate, and I want to drink. I'm tired of working on fucking vehicles for the day, so I think I'm just going to start doing meth, maybe, to get my mind off it. Who knows, it's one of those things, you never know. Shit could happen. But, yeah. Alright, currently January 25th, Saturday. I think it's 3:40, 3:30, 3:43. I don't know. We're going to go skate. I want to try some things, try some stuff out, and we're going to catch some dunk in on the way. That's it, man. Work was good this week. Clocked some overtime, the good old OT. Yeah, and I got this I found this sweet ass thing. It's pretty sweet. Filled it up with some Zippo lighter. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's in my humidor right now. Other than that, I'm ready to go shred. So that's what we're heading to do. It's about 31 degrees out. It's sunnier today. And it stopped being sunny around 5. So we got about an hour and 20 minutes. So that's a good little sesh. Now I don't really know what the plans are for tomorrow. But this video is like 4 days put together. I don't really know. It's like 1 clip a day. It's fucking horrible. I had work. That's all I did. There's the old Breckenridge sticker there. But yeah, like I said, so I fucking ripped it clean off. Like, it's not there. It's supposed to look like this. And at work, you know, I tried getting it to replace it, you know. You got to take the panel and shit off, and it wants you to take it off the track and whatnot. But I'm not a fan of that. Also, I am not stopping at Dunkin'. I am not motivated enough for that shit right now. I just want to skate and skate. So that's where we're at with that. Yeah. But at the moment here, we are going to put on some skate shoes because I can't skate in these. Oh fuck, I don't know where they're. Oh, they're right here. Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know where they went, but I cannot skate in those. Alright, we're back.